Did you know that you could actually use indicators on TradingView without actually seeing indicators on the chart? Oh my God. Stick around. Let me show you how. Lower the top. Go on. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dreycosting. It's the first time over here. What we do over this channel is to analyze the financial market. Chop it up in pieces so each and everyone can understand. All right, guys. First of all, I don't use indicators, right? So let's get that out of the way, right? I'm a price action trader, right? That's my trading style. I don't like to use indicator whatsoever. But for those who haven't, have the confidence as yet just to trade price action and really want to rely on their indicators, because indicators are like training wheels. Like on a bicycle, you have a training wheels, you get me? Until I can take out the training wheels and ride the two wheels. So it have its purpose, yeah? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you a simple way how to use indicators without even putting the indicators on the chart. You don't believe me? Watch this. All right. So first of all, this only works with the currency pairs. It doesn't work with the index, right? So it only works with currency pairs. It doesn't work with the index. Read the vibes. So I'm on GU, right? And this can be done for any other pair, Forex pair. So on GU, if you scroll down here on TradingView, you could like add a note, talk to yourself right here. You know what I mean? You could like talk to yourself right there. Like say, GU looking bullish this week. You're talking to yourself, right? In bullish, you're talking to yourself. You can add a little note, but come out of notes, right? GU looking bullish this week, but that's not what we want to get into. What we want to get into, if you scroll all the way down here, right? Scroll down. You see some stuff showing performance. So, right, so these are measuring the percentage move of GU. So it's over a week, it has dipped like less than 1% over a week time. It went up bullish 4.35% over the month and so on, right? To come down here to technicals, this is saying right here now, right, that based off a GU, it's more looking for a buy. It's in an uptrend. You get me? It's in an uptrend. You see that? So what you could do now is go more technicals. Voila! Yo, watch me now. Right here, you don't need to even put the indicators on the chart. It's always been there. Like it's literally always been there, right? So let me move this out of the way, right? So it's always been there, guys. Trust me, always been there. So, if you're on a daily, it's telling you, right, that you have, based on the overall summary of indicators, you have a strong buy, right? Based on the moving average, it's a strong buy. So you could now look at the different stuff, right? So you could look at the exponential moving averages showing you buy, simple moving averages showing you buy, and so on. And here are all the indicators for you. You get me? The stochastic, RSI or whatever that is showing neutral and so on. You get me? The regular stochastic is showing neutral. You understand? So the MACD is showing sell. So this is showing all indicators, right? So you also have the Fibonacci and all of that. You understand? Trust me. All indicators in one place, and what TradingView does now is to sum up all indicators. I said this is the summary, and based off all indicators, right? 13 is saying buy, 10 is neutral, and 2 is saying sell. So you have a strong buy. You get me? However, you can now do it on time frames. Yeah. So based off of the monthly, let's go by time frame. Based off of the monthly, right? It's saying sell based off of the monthly, right? So based off of the monthly movement, say that now you're like a fast trader, so you like to go in and out of the trade. So you're entering trade after 1 hour, you want to catch there about 30 pips there about or something like that, right? Off of the smaller time frame, it's sell, right? So off of the smaller time frames, right, we are looking to sell, look at the moving averages saying sell and so on. You get me? Look at the MACD saying sell. Yeah. So moving averages, different type of moving averages combined the same cell. But if we go down to like the 30 minutes, same cell as well. 15 minutes, same cell. So, and 5 minutes, also same cell. So if the higher time frame, which is a daily, is showing you that it's in an uptrend buy, but the smaller time frame is showing sell, then what we're seeing then, if we're supposed to go back to the chart and look at price action, therefore it's a retracement creating a higher low, confirming the basic of trading. Is it? Let me check and see if I'm correct. So you go right here, click this little X right here, bam, you return back to your chart. So this is a daily. So let's go down now to the 4 hour and to see what's happening, right? To see if I'm correct. Because if the higher time frame indicators are saying buy, then therefore, and the lower ones are saying sell, then therefore we must be retracing in an option to create a higher low, right? It just makes sense, right? So if you see right here, this is what it's saying to you. So see, price is making higher highs and higher lows. We're in an option. Higher highs and higher lows. So this is the retracement right here where it creates a higher low. So bam. You get me? So if you go down to like the H1, you could see that this is a retracement. I could have just picked up that by just reading the indicators because I have years and years of experience. I know what it was doing based off what the indicators are saying. So without even putting a ton of indicators on the chart, confusing yourself, letting the chart being all clustered, you could just go right here once again, right, GU, and then you just scroll down to more technicals and you see everything, right? So how do we know that it's really an option? You go to the daily, you zoom all the way out, right? See it right here? You zoom all the way out, we're in an option. There's a trend line, we're in an option. We're in an option. You follow me? So price is going up overall on the daily, right? So I'm probably just gonna scroll down to, let me go to you. Let's choose, what's a nice one that people like to play with? Let's go odd USD or pick one Dre. All right, let's go with EURJPY. I just really want to demonstrate this, right? So bam EURJPY, we're not going to stay long on this one because this is just straightforward. Scroll down all the way down to the technical. See it's saying EURJPY, right? You could add a note on your EURJPY. You scroll down, more technicals, and then bam, see it's a technical analysis for the Euro Yen, and show you what the overall moving average summary is neutral, strong buy, right? Strong buy of the daily. If we go down now to 1 hour, what is it saying? Based off for the 1 hour, it's still saying buy, you know what I mean, and so on. You get me? So you could use this now based off a time frame that you like to trade. Based if you like to trade off a smaller time frame, get small pips, then you could use this as an analysis. If you're a swing trader, then you know you'd have to use the H4 and the daily technicals to assist you. It's just simple as that, right? Notice, guys, that I'm always showing you how simple this is, and I'm not trying to technical this thing up with no pretty jargon. It's just ABC 1 2 3, yeah, because it's that easy. Traders and tradeths, if there's anything else on Tradingview that you'd like to see me cover, please comment below and I'll try my very best to assist you. One, big up on yourself and enjoy the rest of the day. I'm out.